Jesus entered the temple courts, and while he was teaching, the chief priests and the elders of the people came to him.
By what authority are you doing these things?
They asked.
And who gave you this authority?
Jesus replied,
I will also ask you one question. If you answer me, I will tell you by what authority I am doing these things. John's baptism, where did it come from? Was it from heaven or from men?
They discussed it among themselves and said,
If we say from heaven, he will ask, then why didn't you believe him? But if we say from men, we are afraid of the people, for they all hold that John was a prophet.
So they answered Jesus,
We don't know.
Then he said,
Neither will I tell you by what authority I am doing these things.